In this video, I'm going to tell you about the My Progress tab. Here in My Progress tab, we will be able to see our progress. And here we can see our highest rank that we have scored or the lowest rank that we have scored, the highest marks or the lowest marks. Next, if we want to analyze our progress in a specific time of period, we can select a date like from 11th to 20th of June. So we will select a date, then click on search. Here we will be able to see our performance in between that time period. So since there are no test progress in between that time period, it shows that no record found. Next we have is summary analysis. Here in summary analysis, we will be able to see our percentile, our accuracy, our aptitude in a meter form. It is a kind of like a bar graph form. So we will be, it will denote in 0 to 100%. So we will be able to see our progress or analyze our progress in a graph form. Next, if we go down a little, we will be able to see our test progress. This is the test that we have taken till today, and we are able to see the progress here, the score, the percentage, the percentile, the correct answers, incorrect or partially answers, the left questions, everything is visible here. If we scroll down a little, so this is what the progress look like. The aptitude and accuracy and attempts are also in numerical form here. So this is all for the My Progress tab.